That's good. It's still in the ground. Victoria. Could be still a nail or a something. But thought I'd video because it was still in the hole after digging it 3 times. Let's go again. Oh, it's out. It's out. Oh. Okay. I hate getting to this point because then you're like, oh, is it gold or is it shit? Oh, you wouldn't believe it. It's a piece of yellow. Fuck off. Far out. It's not bad either. Hang on. Come and show you. There you go, peeps. Be about a half grammer, I reckon. It's pretty lucky, isn't it? Alright, off to the next spot.